Miss Tay Rosé. This video features this makeup look that I have right here using the Profusion Spectrum palette. This is one that I just purchased. I'm going to give you a review on it as soon as I'm finished with this video. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look using this palette alongside other additions included, please keep watching. For my crease color, I'm going to go in with this Profusion Spectrum palette, and the shade I will be using in there is Ember, followed by me going into this Workshop Duo eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to mix Ember in with this brick red shade on the bottom. So that's what you're going to see in the next couple or so clips.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brother who you know how we do. It's to say.
I'm going to use this top shade right here so that way it could create that gradient from this light coral orange to this brick red shade that I created.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brother who you know how we do. It's
So lashes I'll be wearing for today are these wispy lashes. So the name of these lashes is F41, but you can find any wispy lashes that look similar to this or anything that is in your makeup collection. I'm going to pop these bad boys on and I'm going to move on to the lips. For today I'll be using this lip pencil, and this is by MAC. It is in shade Mahogany, followed by me using two lip glosses. I'm going to first delve into the Tarte's Lip Paint lip gloss, and this is in the shade Gold, followed by me using this LORAC Los Angeles Alter Ego lip gloss. This is in the shade Pastry Chef. So what I can tell you about this palette is that it's very amazing. This is the third palette that I've gotten from Profusion, and it is very pigmented. The color payoff is amazing. There is a lot of kickback from the pan itself, and there is a lot of fallout, but that's common with all eyeshadows, especially if you want it to be that rich in pigmentation. You're going to get kickback and you're going to get fallout. But all in all, I love this palette so far a lot, and I can't wait to play with this palette some more. If you want to see more makeup looks also using the Profusion Spectrum palette, comment below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of Also, don't forget to click on that notification bell so that way you're on the alert as to when my videos are out. That's all I have for now. Please be sure to check out the previous video that is coming up next. I'll see you there. Bye!